Hi boys and girls, today you will be practicing and modeling making equivalent fractions. For this, you need something to write with or draw with, and you need one of these cool little dice. So if you can see, there is a small dice within the large one. So what you're going to do is you are going to roll this and then look at it from the top down. So on the top, the large die has a number 3. That is going to be my bottom number, my denominator. The inside number, it's a 1 if you can see, becomes my numerator. So I'm going to write 1/3. Now, I'm sorry, this is backwards. If you, for some reason, get numbers that make an improper fraction, you can flip-flop. Make sure you keep the smaller number on the top just for today, since we haven't quite gotten to improper fractions and mixed numbers yet. So if it doesn't work to keep the big die as your denominator and the small die as your numerator, that's okay. Just use the numbers to make a fraction. So you can see I have 1/3. First, I want to draw a fraction bar, and I'm going to model this. So I'm going to cut my fraction bar into thirds because that is what my denominator says. That's how many pieces the whole is cut into. And if I were going to show 1/3, I would just color in one of the boxes that I made. Now, I need to make an equivalent fraction. So to do that, I could either use the multiplication, or I could use my fraction bar that I just drew. I could make a line through the middle. I could make a line through each of these boxes. And now that shows me that I don't have thirds any longer, I have sixths. And so that 1/3 that was shaded in is now actually 2/6. So I would like you to do this 5 times. You're going to roll, create a fraction with a model, and then form an equivalent fraction using that model or using multiplication, but I still would like to see a model for the second number that you make. You need to turn your paper in, or if you are writing on something else, you can take a picture and upload it so that I can see your work.